Go get you.
That's right, they don't get you. 'Cause why? What are those?
It's big toy.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
That's all. Where are you going to drive your dinosaurs to? To Stegosaurus's house? Where does Stegosaurus live? T-Rex and Stegosaurus live together?
Where T-Rex live?
I don't know. Where do you think T-Rex lives?
In grass.
Where there's grass, probably. Do you think dinosaurs once lived in your neighborhood?
No.
That's silly. Oh, yeah? I know, you're having a hard time getting all your dinosaurs in there, huh? Let's take a look.
Which Triceratops live?
I don't know. Where do you think Triceratops lives? Maybe down by the river?
No.
No. Does he live near the mountains?
No. Mountain goats do.
Mountain goats do, that's right.
Yes, you too.
And deers too.
Triceratops do. Wow. And deers.
Oh yeah? Do the Triceratops growls at the deers? Can you show me what his growl sounds like?
Wow.
Yeah. That's a good growl. Do you think the Triceratops scares the deers?
Yeah. Away. Just wow and deers.
T-Rex growls at deers too?
Stegosaurus growl too.
What does Stegosaurus's growl sound like?
Wow.
That's a good growl. Who's got a louder growl, Stegosaurus or T-Rex?
All of them.
They're all loud?
Growling.
Where are you going to bring your dinosaurs to? Where are you going to drive them? Who are you going to go see? You're going to drive them to their house. That's good enough. Can you blow me a kiss?